In this video, I am going to show you how to remove or hide WhatsApp button from Facebook page post. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now on your Facebook application, I have just made this post on which the WhatsApp button is being shown. So now, if you want to hide or remove this WhatsApp button, you actually have to unlink your WhatsApp from your Facebook application. So to do that, you have to very simply tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your menu, you have to tap on the settings icon which is present at the top right corner of your screen. On your settings and privacy, you have to scroll down to the permission section. In permission section, you have to tap on linked accounts. In linked accounts, you have to tap on WhatsApp. Now you will be able to see your WhatsApp number right over here. So you very simply have to tap on remove. Again tap on remove. So now as you can see, I have easily removed my WhatsApp number from my Facebook page. So now if I go back and reload my Facebook application a couple of times, then go to my profile and scroll down. Now as you can see, the WhatsApp button from my Facebook page post is now removed. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.